Hello and welcome back guys to my channel. Today I'll show you a typical weekend or a Saturday in my life. I woke up quite early today just to film this video, by the way. Otherwise on a normal Saturday I'll be waking up around 11, 12 or sometimes even later. But not today. I already had my breakfast omelette, because of gains and stuff. And now it's time for me to make some chai. Bro, you can't smell it, but the whole cardamom thing is... Okay, now that I have my chai ready, let's quickly go through my agenda for today. At first, I've got this standing table a couple of days earlier, and I guess my afternoon will be occupied by assembling it. But before I do that, I also need to go to the city center for buying some desk lights for my new table and also to make my life brighter. And then maybe I'll also go to plant shopping, obviously to buy plants for my room. But now that I'm already awake, I'm thinking I'll also try to do my laundry. When you are living with 6 other people, waking up early really helps for household chores like doing laundry, because then you can do that when everyone else is still asleep. So let's do that quickly. Bro, every time I come to the city center, I get reminded how beautiful it is to live in Kent. I mean, sometimes the weather sucks, but the place is beautiful. There's the shop we are trying to go in. It's a furniture / household store. Hopefully we'll find what we want there. Yeah, unfortunately the store didn't have it, so I'm trying to go somewhere else. Let's see if I find it. Sad start, couldn't get the lights, but hopefully I'll get the plants at least. What a coincidence, man. I was on my way for buying some plants, but this shop came in on the way. I just went in to check out and I got the lights. Nice. I think I was too quick to jump on a conclusion to say Saturday, but now I got everything I wanted. I was thinking to drop by the Indian shop earlier because it was on the way, but now I don't have enough space in my bag, so I think I'll head straight to home. So, see you there. Now that I got the plants and lights, let's go for the table. Okay, so to give you a little idea about the layout of my room. So that's where my original table is. It's quite small, around 100 by 50 centimeters. I mean, just look at it. If you put one 14-inch laptop, a keyboard and a book, the table looks pretty much full. And that's one of the reasons why I'm getting a new table, which is 140 by 70 centimeters. And that will fit in this gap. It will not occupy everything. It will leave a little space for a drawer or something. But yeah, it will be against that wall facing towards me. But before we start building our new table there, this table needs to move from there to here against this wall. It'll be quite in front of the entrance, but I guess we could just put some plants or something on it so it'll look a little more welcoming. You know what? I'm quite surprised how they managed to put such a big 140 by 70 centimeters table in this small box, and it's an electric one. But it looks small and compact, but it's quite heavy. If you look at it, it says 30 kilograms, but I think it's a little heavier. Man. The irony is I got this table to make sure that I don't hurt my back constantly sitting on that chair, so that I can stand or sit depending on what I want. But now, because the table is so heavy, it actually hurt my back while carrying this table from ground floor to the second floor. But anyways, now we have it, so let's unbox. So I've made some advancements off camera. I first of all adjusted the length. I looked into the manual again, where I saw that this holes needs to match to holes on the wooden plank. So I have broadened it a bit, and then I've also inserted this pipe. I assume this helps in adjusting the height. So now let's assemble the electronic components and see if it works. If the motor works, I'm happy. Okay. So there are some modes as well. Let me quickly go for the second mode. Let's go for the third. The highest, I assume. Okay. What if I try to stop? No. Okay. I think this is good height for standing and working. Let me take a quick break. I've been working for so long now. I didn't tell you, but I did go to the Indian store just to grab 2 samosas. I know there wasn't enough space, but just 2 samosas. So yeah, I got it. And I also had some tea that I made in the morning that I stored in the thermos. So I just heated it up again. And yeah, I would say I'm really happy with the progress so far. First of all, got the lights that I wanted. Great. Then I got a plant that I wanted. Great again. I also did my laundry, by the way, in the morning. So great again. And now the table. I did want to go to the Indian store, but let's see if I find some time afterwards. If not, they've done enough already. So this is how it looks, by the way. It's the first height, which is ideal for my sitting. Like when I'm just sitting, I could do this. But let's say, you know what? I want it to be a little bit up. I'll put it like this. Depends how tall you are. Now I can already start working while standing. I was thinking to get another chair as well, but you know what? When you have a standing desk, you don't need a chair. And now the tallest. What the fuck? Oh, the thing's out. So there was one limitation, but let's see again. Okay. Damn. It's perfect. Bro, look at this. Compared to old one, there is enough space. The old one could only have one laptop and one keyboard and a space for a mouse and a book. This has 3 laptops, a book, and you know what? If I pull it a little close, I could also place a monitor. Okay, so after a lot of hard work, the plant goes there because it needs light. This is the box that the table came in, and this is the actual table. So now you can see how small the box was and how big the table is. As you can see, there are 2 lights, not only just 2 lights, but the third one too. The third one is getting charged with the USB cable via this. So basically you can charge your phone or anything else that you want. And yeah, this table turned out to be pretty good. I still have to work a little bit on the cable management, but they do have the tray with the table. So there we go. Now, as I said, this do catch a lot of fingerprints, so I definitely need to have a mat, desk mat, and a mouse pad, hopefully. But I'll do it later. And now, looking at the table, I'm really looking forward to buy a monitor, man. I had a couple of them in mind, but I think I'll just go to the shop and actually see the perspective of size and how the display actually looks. So maybe next time I'll have it. But if in case, if you're wondering what's this desk, I'll leave a link of Amazon product in the description. So if you are interested in buying, just click on the link and buy it. If you buy using that link, I'll get something through Amazon affiliate. It's the first time that I have started, so if you want to support the channel, click it. I don't know how much I'm gonna get because it's literally just yesterday that I set up my account. But in general, now the table is ready and I don't think I can stop working now. Just need to clean the mess I made with the boxes and stuff. Yeah, it's a lot, but as I said, I can't stop working now. Okay, so basically it's getting the evening time now and I have to go out with a couple of friends, and I don't think there is enough or there is something special to show it on the video. So I guess I'll leave the video at this point. Just in case if something good comes up, I'll just show it at the end of the video. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, just like. And as I said, this is the process of assembling, building up piece by piece that I really enjoy. And if you enjoy it too, feel free to subscribe to the channel, because the next thing I'm going to do is buy a monitor arm, have a proper desk mat, some other stuff. So basically it'll be a full-fledged desk setup. And if you are interested in watching that video, just subscribe to the channel and see you next time.